Today, I will um, give you some important points from the book The Psychology of Influence of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini. It's a bestseller book. So, there are 6 ways the people influence you or you can influence people. Number 1 is reciprocity, number 2 is scarcity, number 3 is authority, number 4 consistency, number 5 liking, number 6 consensus. So, what is reciprocity? If a friend invites you to their party, then there is an obligation for you to invite them to the future party you are hosting. If a colleague does you a favor, then you owe that colleague a favor. You scratch my back, I will scratch your back. Costco applied this philosophy and they give you the sample. And once they give you the samples, then people are obliged to buy. It's not so a lot of people they buy whenever they taste the sample. The second universal principle of persuasion is scarcity. So, for example, Thanksgiving sale, there is a scarcity that this sale is only for 2 or 3 days, and then the people rush to the market. Third principle of influence is the principle of authority. The idea is this: the people follow the lead of credible, knowledgeable experts. For example, teacher, they have the authority, so they mold the behavior of the student. So sometimes we have to be careful, because if the teacher said somebody that you are dumb, then the student buy into it. So we have to be careful. The people who have authority, they are not always right. Fourth principle is consistency. People like to be consistent with the things they have previously said or done. For example, one recent study reduced missed appointments at health center by 18% simply by asking the patients rather than the staff to write down appointments detail of future appointment cards. The fifth principle is the principle of liking. People prefer to say yes to those they like. But what causes one person to like another? Persuasion science tells us that there are 3 important factors. We like people who are similar to us, we like people who pay us compliments, and we like people who cooperate with us toward mutual goal. So the sixth one is consensus or social proof. So the rule is this: we view a behavior as more correct in a given situation to the degree that we see other performing it. For example, canned laughter. Another example is this: that bartender seat their tips jars with a few dollars to give the impression that tipping is the norm. So I highly recommend to read this book.